Hi guys! Good morning, good afternoon, good evening to all people around the world, especially Filipino or working abroad o OFWs. Mabuhay po tayong lahat! So, welcome to my vlog, Danier Vlog. Okay, so right now we're doing the unboxing of some of my packages. I'm not sure what are these, but I know I have some orders in Amazon. So this is all from Amazon. Let's see the first box. So the receipt is always here. Let's see how much the cost of this box inside. So this is $97, guys. The total of this one box, $97. So, oh nice. Exactly today I'm gonna do the Dandelion Lemon Bar Soap. Dandelion Lemon Turmeric Bar Soap. So I have the lemon essential. It's only, oh my god, this is only 50 ml. So only 50 ml, guys. It's only few times to use. And the next one, oh wow, baobab oil. So let me smell it. I don't know the smell of this. I don't have any idea. There's nothing smell on it. It's like coconut oil. Or no, it's like almond oil, the smell, but it's very light. So, yeah. And the next one is Clary Sage. Okay, so at last. So this is 118 ml, 4 ounce. So let's see if it's gonna pass on my... Yeah, because I ordered big Clary Sage when I was in US and it says delivered, but until now I don't receive it. I really wanna know the smell because this is the Majestic Pure. It smells good. It smells nice. But it's far from I expected. But this is only for, using for soup making and skincare products or candle making. So I have 3 essential oils here that I'm using it for making bar soap. Let's see this one. $97. That's the only 3 pieces. See guys, how it's expensive. Only these 3 essential oils, $97 US dollars. That's why my bar soap and skincare products, guys, are very expensive. Are expensive, not very expensive. Premium quality because of the very expensive cost of the ingredients. Only one inside. Where is the receipt? Oh, there you go. How much? This one. This is $40, guys. $40. 1 piece. See? That one, 3 pieces, $96. This one, 1 piece, $40. Ow! Oh my god. This is dangerous. Oh shoot. See guys, it's bleeding. It's bleeding because of the staple. They don't do it properly, their job to staple. They shouldn't staple like this. They should use packing tape. See? It's bleeding, guys. Oh. So Plant Guru Pure Essential Oil Patchouli. Let's see the smell. I wanna know the smells. It smells like medicine, guys. So, I don't know. I don't like the smell. I don't like the smell. It's getting more blood, guys. Yeah, they don't do proper job. They are careless. So this kind of thing, guys, I keep this because I reuse this. So $40. Imagine, guys, a small bottle, $40. I can use only this one few times. So I need paper to wipe the blood on my finger. There you go. I don't need to disinfect, guys, because this is very tiny wound. And it's gonna heal by tomorrow. Next one. One piece also inside. Oh, it's good it didn't break. So, wow, the total of $292 inside. Oh my God, guys. 200, no, not 292. $296.72. So almost $300, guys. What? What is this? Plant therapy? What is the heck is going on? This is very tiny bottle. Clarisade. So this is the best quality, guys. What? This is cost $296? What the heck? Oh, this is really the best one, guys. That's why it's organic and 100% pure essential. Oh my God, this is crazy. Oh my God, I cannot use this for the candles because the pricing of candles is gonna be gone up. Look at that, guys. 230 ml, $296. It's crazy. Is this crazy? What do you think, guys? Is this really crazy, right? Then some people, they gonna ask me why my skincare products are very expensive. Because can you imagine 30 ml too? See, but it's 60 ml together. $296, guys. One of this is more than $100. And now this one, let's see. There's no opening, so just cut it here. And this one, oh my God, I order medium and they send me large. See, guys, this is cost I ordered 3 pieces but only come 1 piece. Where is the other 2 pieces? And it says here $136, $29.95 each. And it costs $136 including the shipping and handling. This is crazy. The rest are not yet here, and they charge me already $136. See, guys, how expensive it is. This is for my feet, guys. See, I'm using this here to protect varicose vein on the legs, because you know I keep working standing. So that's how it is. The brand new one. So this is large. I don't know where is the medium. They shouldn't give me large because I ordered medium. Let's see. I ordered 3 colors. But I don't know. Maybe they don't have any more medium and they send me large. See guys? So this is athletes. For athletes. Yeah, it's bigger, the large. That's why I order medium. Then these things, they are crazy. I ordered medium and send me large. See? It's bigger, guys. So I don't know if I'm gonna use this thing. Because I ordered this for my co-charts colleagues. Not for myself. Because I advise her to use this because she has a lot of varicose vein. But now, they send me wrong size. So, this is $29.95 each. Plus tax. And plus shipping and handling for this product. So, it costs like $40 guys. This is cheaper one. Because this one that I'm using, this is medium size. On my foot and my feet, it's cost me like $110. But now they changed the price for, I don't know what's happened. Maybe it's on sale. I have another 2 colors, so I don't know when it's coming. So I don't know when it's coming, the rest. So shipping and handling is how much? It costs $40. Wow. It's crazy. $40 the shipping. So that's it guys. Thank you for watching my unboxing products. Mostly for my soap making. Well, I use this when I'm standing, this kind of, you know, so to protect my varicose vein so it doesn't go worse. So F is 6, the brand name of compression socks. If you wanna know guys, so thank you for watching. I really appreciate it. I'm wearing my apron because I'm gonna do my dandelion second batch, first batch here in Canada, dandelion, lemon and turmeric soap.